नमस्ते स्वरा, नमस्ते स्वराज। सब बच्चे हाथ जोड़ के बोलो नमस्ते।
नमस्ते टीचर।
नमस्ते बच्चों, आप सब कैसे हो? आप सब ठीक हो ना? वेरी गुड। चलो अब हम अपने हिंदी की क्लास स्टार्ट करेंगे। कौन बताएगा कि हमने लास्ट वीक कौन से 2 अक्षर सीखे थे? कौन बताना चाहते हैं? मीत, कम ऑन टेल मी। डू यू नो लास्ट वीक हमने कौन से 2 शब्द सीखे हैं? शर्वरी, चिराग। चलो हम रिवीजन करते हैं। यस, लास्ट वीक हमने द और ध सीखा था। द से क्या था? बोलो। द से दरवाजा,
द से
दरवाजा। द से दर्जी, द
दर्जी, द से दरवाजा, द से दीपक।
यस, वेरी गुड। और द से दवा।
हाँ, द से दवा।
एक हमने सीखा था ध। ध से क्या क्या था? ध से धनुष,
ध से धनुष, ध से धन, ध से धोबी
और ध से
धनिया,
वेरी गुड।
ध से धन,
तो अभी हमने
धन
सीख लिया था। आज हम अपना नेक्स्ट सीखेंगे हम अपना हिंदी का शब्द। कम ऑन, लुक हियर एवरीबॉडी। नेक्स्ट हमारा है न। सब बच्चे न, ये देखो न। सब बोलो न। न न न से क्या क्या होता है? न से नल, न से
नदी,
हाँ, नदी भी होती है। वेरी गुड। पहले न से नल देखो। न से नल, ये देखो। सबके घर में नल है ना? नल से क्या आता है? सुबह सुबह आप नल खोलते हो तो
पानी।
हाँ, पानी। ये देखो, न से नल। तो न से क्या आता है? पानी। न से होता है नल। सबसे पहला हमने न से कौन सा शब्द सीखा?
न से नानी,
न से नल। यस, न से नदी भी होता है। पहले न से नल, न से नल,
न से नारियल।
वेरी गुड। अभी न से नल सीखा है ना? अब देखो न से सेकंड क्या है हमारा? नारियल। नारियल मीन्स कोकोनट। ये देखो, ये क्या है? कौन बताएगा? क्या है ये? न से
कोकोनट।
न से नारियल। इंग्लिश में कोकोनट बोलते हैं ना। न से नारियल। मम्मी बनाती है ना, इसको तोड़ के चटनी बनाती है इसका। इसको आप खाते हो, अंदर से व्हाइट होता है। यस, न से नारियल। देखो, न से नारियल, न से नारियल। तो हमने सेकंड सीखा न से नारियल, और फर्स्ट सीखा था न से नल। न से नल और न से नारियल। और अब हमारा थर्ड क्या है? न से नाव। न से नाव। नाव मीन्स ये देखो, मेरे पास टॉय बोट है एक। ये देखो क्या है ये? कि कोई बैठा है नाव में कभी? कोई भी नहीं बैठा आप में से? ओके, कभी आप जाओ ना किसी नदी वगैरह में, तो नाव में जरूर बैठना, बहुत अच्छा लगता है। ये देखो, न से नाव। सब बच्चे बोलो नाव। नाव। देखो मेरे पास टॉय नाव है, ये देखो छोटा। न से नाव, न से नाव। नाव में बैठ के हम पानी के अंदर बैठ के नदी, नाव में बैठ के नदी को क्रॉस कर लेते हैं। तो अब हमने क्या सीखा? न से नाव। और हमारा फोर्थ क्या है? न से नदी। सब बच्चे बोलो न से नदी। कौन से? न से नदी। बोलते हैं रिवर में, नदी में चला जाता है पानी। तो अब न से हमने सीखा, न से सबसे फर्स्ट हमने सीखा नल, न से नल, न से नारी,
तो नानी म्हणतो
न से नदी और न से नाव। तो अभी हमने न से 4 शब्द सीखे। सब में बोलो, न से नल, कौन से,
न से नल,
वेरी गुड, न से नारियल,
न से नारियल,
न से नाव,
न से नाव,
न से नदी,
न से नारियल,
नदी, न से नदी। Come on, अभी हम न को take out your slate and chalks and copy and pencil, whatever you have. Come on. ये मैंने क्या बनाया है न से, बताओ यहाँ पे कौन सा पिक्चर है? न से क्या है? नल, वेरी गुड, न से नल। नल में से क्या आ रही है? पानी। क्या आता है नल में से हमारा? पानी, न से नल। यस, अब हम सब न लिखना सीखेंगे। कम ऑन, लुक क्या, जो हमारी सेकंड ब्लू लाइन है, हमें वहां से न शुरू करना है, सेकंड ब्लू लाइन से। लुक क्या, सबसे पहले यहाँ पे स्लीपिंग लाइन डालो, सेकंड ब्लू लाइन के ऊपर एक स्लीपिंग लाइन डालो। फर्स्ट ब्लू लाइन छोड़ दो और सेकंड ब्लू लाइन पे एक छोटी स्लीपिंग लाइन डालो। यह सबने, आप जहां से हमने अपनी लाइन स्टार्ट की थी ना, स्लीपिंग लाइन, वहां से एक सर्कल बनाओ छोटा, जो सेकंड ब्लू लाइन के अंदर से घूम के यहाँ पे टच होगा। हाफ सर्कल बनाना, फुल नहीं बनाना। और उसके बाद यहाँ से एक स्टैंडिंग लाइन, जो फर्स्ट ब्लू लाइन से थर्ड ब्लू लाइन तक आई।
खाली दुसरा काहीतरी काढणार शिकवणार आहे ना, दोन वर्ड शिकवणार आहे ना।
स्टैंडिंग लाइन के बाद ऊपर
मम्मी
बन गया हमारा न, न से नल, न से नारियल,
लाइन मारायची,
एक बार और सीखेंगे लोग यार, ये देखो न से नल। अभी एक बार और सीखेंगे, देखो सबसे पहले अपनी सेकंड ब्लू लाइन पे हमें एक स्लीपिंग लाइन डालना है, सेकंड ब्लू लाइन के ऊपर एक छोटी स्लीपिंग लाइन डालो, और जहां से ये हमने स्टार्ट किए वहीं से एक हाफ सर्कल घुमाओ।
Teacher, your video is
और उसको ऊपर ले जाओ।
Meenakshi teacher, we cannot see you once.
और एक स्टैंडिंग लाइन जो फर्स्ट ब्लू लाइन से टच होके नीचे थर्ड ब्लू लाइन तक आएगी, और उसके ऊपर स्लीपिंग लाइन बन गया न, न। कम ऑन, शो मी योर्स, किसने बनाया है? दिखाओ स्वरा, कम ऑन, शो मी योर्स। मीट बनाया आपने बेटा? किसने किसने बनाया है? वेरी गुड, शो मी। एक मिनट बेटा, आपका वीडियो नहीं आ रहा है। यस, वेरी नाइस, वेरी क्लियर, वेरी गुड शर्वी, वेरी गुड मीट, चिराग,
थैंक यू।
Smiraj, very nice, very clear. Vedant, show me yours. Abir, come on. Karanveer, show me yours. Very good, everybody. Very clear. Very nice. मीत, नित्या, very good Karanveer, Abir, very good. Thumbs up for you all. Come on, thumbs up for you all. Very good. सबने बहुत अच्छा किया। तो अभी हमने क्या सीखा है? शनाया वेरी नाइस, वेरी क्लियर, वेरी गुड। अथर्व वेरी गुड। कम ऑन, सबने लिख लिया? तो अभी हमने क्या सीखा? न से क्या है ये? कौन से? बोलो मेरे पीछे। न से नल, न से नदी, न से नारियल और न से नाव। तो अभी हमने हिंदी का न सीखा और हमने उससे 4 शब्द बनाने सीखे। अब न के बाद हमारा सेकंड है आज का प। सब बच्चे बोलो प। क्या क्या है ये?
प से पहाड़, प से पतंग।
वेरी गुड। हाँ वेरी नाइस, आपको तो सब आता है।
पतंग।
वाह, ये देखो प। सबसे पहले आप प बोलना सीखो। बोलो प। प, सब बच्चे बोलो प। प
से पपीता, पपीता।
वेरी गुड। अब हम सबसे पहले प से क्या सीखेंगे? प से पतंग। ये देखो, आप लोगों ने बनाई थी ना पतंग, मैम ने आपको सिखाई थी, जबीन मैम ने। ये देखो मेरी पतंग, ये देखो पतंग। पतंग उड़ती है ना ऐसे। ये देखो पतंग कैसे उड़ती है। ये ऐसे हम धागा बांधते हैं और स्काई में उड़ाते हैं ना बच्चे। कोई उड़ाता है बच्चा? किसी को पसंद है? किसको पसंद है पतंग उड़ाना? किसी ने उड़ाई थी? कल आपने उड़ाई थी किसी ने रिपब्लिक डे पे पतंग? ओके, मीत थम्स अप दिखा रहे हो। आपने उड़ाई थी पतंग? ये देखो, ये क्या है? प से बताओ मुझे, ये क्या है? प से पतंग। बोलो प से पतंग। प से पतंग। प से पतंग। तो हमने प से वेरी गुड, हमने पहला सीखा है प से पतंग। अब हम सीखेंगे पहाड़। प से क्या होते हैं? माउंटेन्स होते हैं, पहाड़। हाँ, और हिंदी में पहाड़ बोलते हैं। ये देखो पत्थर, पत्थर। पहाड़ से क्या बनता है? पत्थर। और प से पत्थर भी होता है। तो ये क्या है? एक पत्थर, स्टोन। तो जब पहाड़ को तोड़ते हैं ना तो छोटे छोटे पत्थर निकलते हैं। तो प से पत्थर भी होता है और प से पहाड़। कभी आप हिली एरिया में जाते हो तो
से पहिया।
हाँ, प से पतंग, प से पहाड़ और प से कौन सा फ्रूट है ये? कौन सा फ्रूट है? प से पपीता। No, it is not a watermelon. Wrong. ये पपीता है, पपाया। आप इंग्लिश में पपाया बोलते हो ना, पपीता। बोलो पपीता। हिंदी में ये देखो, प से पपीता। खाते हो ना सब इसको? काटते हैं। प से पपीता। बोलो प से
पपीता।
हाँ, तो ये प से पपीता। ये बहुत हेल्दी होता है हमारी आइज के लिए। इसको हमें हमेशा खाना चाहिए। और ये अंदर से ऑरेंज कलर का होता है और इसमें ब्लैक सीड्स होते हैं। प से पपीता।
Meenakshi teacher, just unmute yourself. No, Meenakshi teacher, unmute yourself. Meenakshi teacher, आप mute पे हो.
ओके, सॉरी मैम। ओके, सो अभी हमने प से क्या देखा था? पपीता। क्या है ये? प से पपीता। ये बहुत हेल्दी फ्रूट है, हमें हमेशा खाना चाहिए। ये हमारी आइज के लिए बहुत अच्छा होता है। अंदर से ऑरेंज कलर का होता है और हिंदी में बोलते हैं इसको पपीता। तो हमने क्या क्या सीखा? यस,
प से पत्ता भी होता है।
वेरी गुड। प से पत्ता भी होता है। वेरी नाइस, क्लैप फॉर यू। वेरी गुड। तो अभी हमने सीखा प से पहाड़, प से पपीता और अब हम सीखेंगे पहिया। बोलो प से पहिया। पहिया होते हैं ना, व्हील, आपकी गाड़ी चलती है, टायर, इट मीन्स टायर।
चलता है।
हाँ, सब बच्चे बोलो
प से पहिया, प से पहिया,
हाँ, प से पहिया।
पहिया, प से पहिया।
आपकी कार में कितने पहिए होते हैं बताओ?
4।
4। वेरी गुड, 4। गुड। सो अभी हम रिवीजन करेंगे। हमने प से क्या क्या सीखा? प से पतंग, बोलो।
प से पतंग,
प से पहाड़,
प से पहाड़,
प से पपीता
प से पपीता
और प से पहिया।
प से पहिया।
तो अब हम प लिखना सीखेंगे।
मम्मी
वेरी गुड। प से पत्थर, मैंने अभी दिखाया था ना। प से ये क्या है? प से पत्थर, प से पत्ता। वेरी गुड, बहुत अच्छा। वेरी गुड। प से पापा।
टीचर, मैंने एक दिन संक्रांति को काइट फ्लाई किया था।
अरे वाह, वेरी नाइस। तो आपने बहुत एंजॉय किया होगा ना। काइट फ्लाइंग में बहुत मजा आता है। अभी मैंने आपको काइट दिखाई थी ना, ये देखो ऐसे उड़ती है ना। ये सब बच्चों ने बनाई थी ना, जब मैम ने बनवाई थी आपसे, जबीन मैम ने। कम ऑन लुक हियर। अब हम प को लिखना सीखेंगे। ये मैंने क्या बनाया है प से, बताओ? दिख रहा है सबको? कम ऑन से प से पतंग। हाँ, ये देखो मेरी पतंग। ठीक है, सबने देखा? अब हम प लिखना सीखेंगे।
पैसा।
हाँ, वेरी गुड। प से पैसा भी होता है। चलो अभी अपने स्लेट्स निकाल लो। जो हमारी फर्स्ट ब्लू लाइन है, लुक हियर एवरीबॉडी, वहां से हम प लिखना शुरू करेंगे। सबसे पहले फर्स्ट ब्लू लाइन से एक स्टैंडिंग लाइन लाना है हमें, जो हमारी सेकंड ब्लू लाइन तक आएगी, और हम ऐसे कर्व करके छोड़ देंगे। स्टैंडिंग लाइन बनाओ एक फर्स्ट ब्लू लाइन से जो सेकंड ब्लू लाइन पे आएगी, और उसको हल्का सा कर्व करके छोड़ दो। सब बच्चे लिखो। उसके बाद जहां पे हमने इसे छोड़ा है ना कर्व को, वहां से हम थोड़ा ऐसे आगे चले जाए और ऊपर से एक स्टैंडिंग लाइन लाएंगे जो थर्ड ब्लू लाइन को टच करेगी। बन गया प। क्या बन गया हमारा? प। और ऊपर एक स्लीपिंग लाइन। मैं एक बार फिर सिखाती हूँ, लुक क्या। सब बच्चे ट्राई करो। सबसे पहले फर्स्ट ब्लू लाइन से एक, इधर देखो, स्टैंडिंग लाइन जो सेकंड ब्लू लाइन को क्रॉस करके ऐसे कर्व छोड़ दो उसको। और उसके बाद जो हमने कर्व छोड़ा है वहीं से हम स्लिपिंग लाइन डालते हुए आगे जाएंगे थोड़ा सा, और ऊपर से एक स्टैंडिंग लाइन जो थर्ड ब्लू लाइन पे खत्म हो जाएगी, और ऊपर एक स्लीपिंग लाइन। बन गया हमारा प। क्या बन गया? प। सब बच्चे बोलो प। प से पतंग, प से पपीता, प से पहिया और प से पहाड़, प से पत्थर, प से पत्ता। सब दिखाओ मुझे। वेरी गुड मीत। स्वरा नाइस। नित्या वेरी क्लियर, वेरी नाइस। Very good. से पैसा. Very clear. Swaraj, very good. Atharva, Shanaya, show me. Very clear. Very nice. Vedansh, very good. और बताओ प से पापा. Very good. प से पापा. Chirag, very clear. Shravi, very good. Very nice. Shravari, Karanveer, Chirag, show me yours. Abir, come on. Very good. Chirag, very nice. Very good, Karanveer. Very clear. Put a sleeping line on the P. Very nice, Sharwari. Very good. Thumbs up for you. Very nice, Abir. और प से क्या क्या होता है कौन बताएगा? वेरी गुड. तो अभी हमने क्या सीखा? प. अब हम अपना रिवीजन करेंगे. कम ऑन लुक हियर एवरीबॉडी. अभी बोलो. सबसे पहले हमने न सीखा था. आज हमने न और प सीखा. लुक हियर. सब बच्चे यहाँ देखो. न से नल बोलो.
न से नदी, न से नाला, न
से नल, न से नारियल, न से नदी और न से नाव. ठीक है. और हमने प से क्या सीखा? प से पतंग, प से पहाड़, प से पपीता, प से पहिया. वेरी गुड. तो अभी हमने न और प सीखा. क्या क्या सीखा हमने? न और प. तो आज आपको वर्कशीट आएगी. अच्छे से आप अपना न और प का प्रैक्टिस करना. और थम्स अप फॉर यू ऑल. सबने बहुत अच्छा लिखा. वेरी गुड. और अभी मैं आपका रिवीजन लूंगी. कम ऑन, सबको मेरे पीछे पीछे बोलना है. ठीक है. चलो कम ऑन लुक हियर एवरीबॉडी. सबसे पहले ये क्या है? बोलो. क से कमल, ख से खरगोश, ग से गधा, घ से घड़ी. और ये क्या है? अंग से खाली बजाओ ताली. च से चम्मच, छ से छतरी, ज से जहाज, झ से झरना, य से खाली बजाओ ताली. और टमाटर, ठ से ठठेरा, ड से डलिया, ढ से ढक्कन, ण से फन. फन, ये देखो सांप का फन. हाँ. त से तरबूज, थ से थर्मस, द से दर्पण, ध से धनुष, न से नल और प से पतंग. तो अभी हमने अपना प तक सीख लिया. और आपको वर्कशीट आएगी तो आप अपना न और प का प्रैक्टिस करना. और कल मैं आपको फिर नेक्स्ट 2 लेटर्स सिखाऊंगी. ओके, गॉट इट? सबको आ गया? कम ऑन, शो मी योर थम्स अप. सब बच्चे थम्स अप दिखाओ, क्लैप करो।
ताली
फॉर यू
बजाओ,
ऑल, वेरी गुड।
त से ताली, बच्चों बजाओ ताली।
हाँ, तो से ताली बजाओ ताली।
Thank you.
चलो धन्यवाद बच्चों।
धन्यवाद टीचर।
बाय, सी यू।
धन्यवाद।
Bye.
Thank you.
कल मिलेंगे। बाय,
For a
धन्यवाद।
wonderful Hindi session.
Bye.
बाय।
And now it's time for the nurseries to join in. Lower KG, if you want to drink water, just take a round and come back. Good morning to all of you. Good morning, all the upper KG kids. Good morning. Good morning, Shravi. Good morning. I think everybody. Good morning, Supa. Good morning, Karanvi. Good morning, Yuvan. Good morning, Burhan. Good morning. And yes, community helpers. Community helper week is coming. No, I have got some name, but everybody's not given me their names. Will you be giving me? I see you. Yes, you can't see me. Oh, sorry. I have to pin video myself. Very good. You have become very alert. Thank you. Now you'll have become all savvy, no? You'll know how to operate the laptop, the phone. You'll know to mute yourself, unmute yourself. Very, very smart, like Chinky. Okay. Now tell me, community helpers, I've got very few names. Why everybody is not doing? I have got Mustafa as farmer, Sharvari is becoming nurse, Abir is becoming dentist, currently engineer, Nitya, Bhajiwali, Insia, chef, Shravi, teacher, Shreyas, builder, Hussein, news reporter, very good, Amira, soldier, me, pilot, Zaim, lawyer. Oh my God, I'm waiting to see all. And what about the other children? Are you doing something? Come on, tell Mama to give me your names fast. I want everybody to become a community helper, okay? It is not what you want to become when you grow up.
मैम मैंने अपनी पुरानी ड्रेस पहनी फिर व्हाइट वाली है ही नहीं मेरे पास तो मैं बस
No problem. No problem. आप एक डेंटिस्ट का एच लगा दो. मामा को बोलो मुझे यहाँ पे डेंटिस्ट लिख के दो.
Dr. Abir.
Doctor लगो. Dr. Abir. Put us this thing. Okay, so we will come to know you are a dentist. Okay, no problem. But at least try to become. And say one line. Yes, you have to say one line. Good morning. I am Dr. Abir. I'm a dentist and I look after your teeth. See, my teeth is smiling. Okay. I want you to say one line, okay? Not just become any community helper. And please give me your names fast. Those who have not given mamas, please give us your names because I want all the children to participate and everybody would get a thumbs up. Not thumbs up, dear. I'll applaud for everybody and then we will finish our community helpers. Okay. Are we ready? Now listen to this song. Listen to this song.
Nigel Naylor, he's a tailor. He makes trousers, suits and shirts. Benny Proctor, she's a doctor. Comes to see you when it hurts. Peter Palmer, he's a farmer. He's got cows and pigs and sheep. Wendy Witter, babysitter, minds the kids when they're asleep. People work in the country. People work in the town. People work day and night to make the world go round. Mabel Meacher, language teacher, teaches English, French and Greek. Gary Gummer, he's a plumber, call him when you've got a leak. Patty Prentice, she's a dentist, keeps your teeth both clean and white. Ronnie Ryman, he's a fireman, comes when there's a fire to fight. People work in the country, people work in the town. People work day and night to make the world go round. People work in the country, people work in the town. People work day and night to make the world go round.
So I think yes. Now we are ready for the session. Everybody's come. We see all the kids have joined. Do you want to Luki Pookie join? Let me check whether Luki Pookie is joined. Oh, hi, Luki. Where are you? We want to put. Who wants a hello song? Come on, tell me. Everybody wants a hello song or a prayer?
I'm a dentist.
You're a dentist. Very good. Only one dentist will be having, not two dentists. Okay. So if Abhi is a dentist, then you become something else, bacha. Okay. Tell mama. Chalo. Let's say hello to everybody. All the kids are. It is already 10:05. So let's welcome everybody with a hello. Yes. Hello. Today is which morning? Today is Wednesday morning and Chinky is also come with us today. So let's say hello to Chinky.
It's time to say hello. Hello, nice to see you, everyone. Hello, nice to see you, everyone. Hello to you, hello to you, hello to you, hello to me. Hello, nice to see you, everyone.
Yes, good morning. Hello, Chinky. Good morning. Good morning.
I'm doctor, I'm not dentist.
Okay, doctor is different. I told you, no, there are 5 types of doctors, so you can become any one of the doctors. Yeah, that's fine. Chalo. Now everybody mute yourself. Lubaina teacher is going to do. She did which community helpers before? She did all the doctors. Eye doctor, nose teeth doctor, bone doctor, your ENT doctor, vet doctor of animals. Then what did we do last week? We did firefighter. Comes when there is a fire. Then we did policeman, very strict policeman. If you don't obey the rules and if you do bad things, policeman will catch you and put you in jail. Okay. Then whom did we did? We did a courier boy. Remember? In Swiggy, Dunzo, they come to your home and give you the parcel. And meeting we did Jubby teacher. We discussed about teacher of Rainbow Kids. Jubby teacher said, hi everybody. Welcome to Rainbow Kids.
Hi. Unicorn also.
Yes, okay. And which other community helper we did? Socho. Any more? We did a car mechanic. When your papa's car gets off, then we did who repairs it? The car mechanic. So these are the community helpers. Okay. So now we are going to do more. Now this session we will complete everything. Wait 1 minute. So now listen to Chinky. Chinky is also going to take part in the fancy dress. So Lubaina teacher asked Chinky, you are also going to be online. Today you have come. Friday Chinky is not going to come online. He's going to his school. So Chinky said, what? I asked Chinky, Chinky, what are you going to become online? Can you tell us? Chinky says, let me think. Oh, yesterday was Republic Day, 26th January, Republic Day. So who we have to salute? Whom did we salute yesterday? All the soldiers. So Chinky said, I think I will become a soldier. But does the soldier wear this clothes? No. What kind of clothes soldier wears? I will dress up Chinky. If Chinky wants to become soldier, he will dress up like a soldier. This is the dress of the soldier. Then the soldier has cap also. And what does the soldier have in the gun? Tishkyo! Yes, if Chinky is becoming a soldier. Who is a soldier? A soldier guards a country. He's in the army. Yes, he सबको enemy को भगा देता है. 15 August, they are guarding our border. They don't allow enemies to come inside and they've helped the citizen. They protect our country. They are full-time guarding. So let's salute the soldier, everybody. Let's salute. See, this is how he has a fire. He fights for our country. So soldier looks like this. Okay. So Chinky, you can become a soldier if you want to. Okay. That is very good thing. And later, if you want to grow big, you can become the soldier and join the army and help our country. Okay. They are the pride of the country. That is why we salute our soldiers. Okay. Now, Chinky said, okay, soldier is one option. Then Chinky said, what will I become? Let me see one helper. When you go to railway station, आप किसको देखते हो? There is a train, there is a guard, and who carries your luggage on the railway station? Who carries your luggage on the railway station? Coolie. All the coolies carry your luggage, right? So coolie also is a community helper. He's a domestic helper. He needs work, no? Those who need work, he has not studied, but he needs money. He needs work. He needs to support his family. So they help by becoming a coolie. So Chinky says, I think I can become a coolie also. So Lubaina teacher says, okay, you want to become a coolie? Chalo, we will dress you as coolie. Which color clothes coolie wears? Come on, tell me. Which color clothes coolie will wear? Coolie wears red color clothes. See, coolie always had it red. So when you go to the railway station and Papa, Mama, everybody wants to travel by train, and if you have lot of luggage, then what you will do? Papa cannot carry, Mama cannot carry, you are a baby, you cannot carry. Then Papa will call the coolie. He'll say, coolie, please come here. Then coolie will say, yes, sir. He say, will you carry my luggage? Coolie says, yes. Then coolie will say, will you give me money? Then Papa will say, yes. And then the coolie will carry the luggage. See, he will carry it on his head. He will carry the luggage. He is a very hard-working. Coolie बहुत hard-working है. पूरा सामान अपने सिर पे, अपने shoulders पे, अपने हाथ में, सब जगह वो सामान carry करके, he will be helping you. Okay. So on the railway station, you see not one coolie, you see many coolies. And how you know they are coolies? Because they wear red color clothes and they help you. So come on, everybody, salute the coolie. Coolies, we salute you and thank you for helping us. Okay. So Chinky, now you have many options. You can become a coolie, you can become a soldier, you can become fire mechanic. So all the children also, you all please give me your names fast. Okay. Now Chinky is listening to our online. Today I have so many new helpers. Every day morning, what do? Lubaina teacher comes, Jabin teacher comes, Munira teacher comes, and they make you do exercise, right? We say, no, we like to jog. We like to jog. We like to jog every day. Jogging is fine for your tummy line. We like to jog every day. Then Munira teacher says, come on, everybody close your eyes, 3 fingers, and chant. No. Then Jabin teacher comes and makes you do all mouth exercises. Come on, blow.
And say Om Namah Shivaya.
Om Namah Shivaya also, yes. So now these are the teachers. But sometimes Mama goes to gym, Papa goes to gym. There are no teachers to teach them. Who teaches them all exercise, all aerobics, dance, and all gym exercises, cycle and treadmill? Who teaches?
Gymmer.
Yes, gym instructor.
Gym instructor.
Gym instructor. He knows which exercise is good for your bones, which exercise is good for your muscles. He will give you all the instruction. So he's a gym instructor. Okay. Now, see, now this is a gym instructor and this is Papa. Okay, everybody can see Papa. Papa is going to the gym and then the gym instructor is there and gym instructor said, hello, today we will do some very nice exercise which will give muscles to your arms and you will be very strong. So the gym instructor says, come on, Papa, all do push-ups, pull-ups, pull-ups. So Papa goes up. Ooh, wow, clap, clap for Papa. Papa is doing real good exercise. Now Papa goes down. Papa goes up again. Papa goes down. 1 minute, let me admit Zidane here, okay? So here is Zidane admitted. Oh, now Papa, now gym instructor says, come on, I'm going to count 5 times and you're going to go up and you're going to down. Come on. 1. Oh, not your legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let me admit Luke also. 7, 8, 9. Ah, Papa says, I am very tired. Gym instructor says, no, drink water. We will go round and round. Everybody's ready to see Papa is becoming very fit. So let's go round and round. Chalo. The instructor says the 1, 2, 3. Let's go round. 1. Oh, see Papa. Wow. Clap, 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 clap for Papa. Papa is holding his breath. 2. Down. Now again. 1. Oh, go up, go up, go up, go up, go up. Oh, see what is Papa doing? Oh my God, Papa is doing all acrobat. Now, 1, 2. Oh my God, can you do it? Can you do this kasrat? No, only in the gym. And the trainer is there to watch you because you should. Now, your main thing, the trainer's gym instructor says, Papa, you have to go round and round. That is your test. Okay, so drink little water. Papa drank water. And now, 1, 2, 3. Oh. Ah. Okay, come on. 1, 2, 3. Oh, can you believe this? Papa is becoming very fit. Whose Papa is going to the gym? Whose Papa goes to the gym? Can you tell me? Anybody's Papa is doing exercise? Like this? Who's Papa? Nikla's Papa. Very good. So exercise is very good. Your mama does sometimes. Mama, see now he's doing up and down from behind. He's doing up, down, up, down. All the exercise. Okay. So now when exercise is very, very important. At home, if you can do exercise on your own, very good. But some people go to the gym and who teaches them all the exercise and who monitors them? It is the gym instructor. Okay? Yes, I think yes. There I'm getting hands. All mamas are going to become, even Lubina teachers doing a lot of exercise to become strong and healthy. We need to be healthy. So gym instructor gives you diet, gives you instructions, looks after your health and makes you do proper exercise. And you're all small children, so we are your gym instructors, right? Your teachers are your gym instructors because all teach you yoga, brain gym and everything. Okay, so say thank you, gym instructor, for making us fit and fine. Thank you. Thank you so much. Okay, so don't miss out. Our gym instructor is also a community helper. Bye, gym instructor. Now, who's going to come? रोज सुबह में कौन आता है आपके दरवाजे पे? टिंग टोंग. कौन है? Can you guess which community helper is this? Can you guess? It is Doodwala, milkman. See, he's a Doodwala bhaiya. Come on, let's sing the song first, okay? Doodwala aaya, दूध लाया, दूध लाया, कितने लीटर दूध लाया, कितने लीटर दूध लाया, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 bus. He comes on a cycle, tring 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 tring. He goes to every but. दूध वाले को इंग्लिश में क्या बोलेंगे? What will you tell the दूध वाला? Milkman. He's a milkman. Okay, he's your domestic helper. He comes every day. Nowadays you get milk pouches, but some houses take milk from the
Cycle. My milkman can walk and come to my house.
yes,
It's only
many
it's only very
and many milkmans give you pouch. They give you milk pouch, but this दूध वाला भैया,
yes, I get a milk packet. A milk of packet.
mostly everybody get milk packets, but some Lubaina teacher doesn't get milk packet. In the दूध वाला भैया comes with the milk can, and then there is milk inside, and then he measures. If you want half liter, if you want 1 liter, you have to take it in. Can you put it in your mouth like that? No, this is not a packet milk. So you have to take it in your vessel. 8 liter bhaiya, and then he will pour 1 liter, and then every day he comes to your house. Okay, so even he helps a lot. If दूध वाला भैया नहीं आएगा, तो आपको जाना पड़ेगा दुकान में. You will have to go to the store and you have to get your packet milk. Packet milk is available everywhere in all the departmental store. But still, his milk. What does the milkman do? He has many cows. He has cows in his house. He is in his shed, and then every morning he milks the cow. He removes the. Who gives us milk? The cow. Cow gives us milk, no? So what does he do? He milks the cow in his can. Ah,
Teacher, one day
yes.
I'm drinking now cow milk.
Okay, okay. So
There's no Amul milk. There is cow milk.
cow milk, yes. So this is very strong and healthy. When Dudwala gives you milk, it is very strong and healthy because he gets the milk directly from the cow. And the packet milk, the cow gives milk. Barabar hai. Lekin it is processed. It is being packed into containers. They put some process inside, and it is not very pure like the Dudwala's milk. Okay, but milkman, which milk he gives, that is very, very nutritious. Okay, so never mind. If you are getting packet milk, also is fine. And some people take milkman. So everybody, will you sing with me? Chalo, let's sing by singing Doodh Wala Aaya. Now that is Rickshaw Wala Aaya song. So come on, everybody, loudly unmute yourself and sing with me. Doodh Wala Aaya, Doodh Wala Aaya. एक दो चार and everybody, come on, say thank you, milkman. Thank you. Every morning, whole from 5 o'clock, he gets up, he milks the cow, he fills his can, and then he goes to every house on his cycle or rickshaw, and he delivers milk. So he takes a lot of effort for him, so for us. So let's say thank you, milkman. Okay, so bye, milkman. Oh my God, now whom we have? There is a who's this lady? Come on, can you guess? Can you guess who's this? Who's this lady? Can you guess what is there around his neck? There is a measuring tape. So, see, Lubaina teachers want a jacket and a dress. Tailor. Very good. Tailor is also
Right?
community helper. And what does a tailor do? Tailor stitch, 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 stitch. Tailor stitches your clothes. See, whatever clothes you are wearing, ready-made आ जाता है? जादू से आ जाता है? No, you get it from the shop. But who stitches those clothes? आपको पता है? It is the tailor, not one tailor. There is a factory और इसमें बहुत सारे tailors बैठते हैं. They all stitch. And how does he stitch? He needs a scissor, he needs a needle, he needs the machine. They need the machine to stitch the clothes, right? And then many clothes, all shirts, uniform, papa's pants, mama's clothes. Who stitches? Tailor master.
Ma'am,
Yes,
ma'am,
yes, yes, Sandy.
मैं बड़ा होके साइंटिस्ट बनना चाहता हूँ.
Wow, that is very good, very nice. Okay, may God bless you and you become a scientist. Okay, but now we are talking of tailor. Okay, so the tailor, he and what is the important instrument? Tailor has a measure tape. See, आपका नाम लेगा ना tailor. Come on, tell me how many inches waist you have.
I'm going to be big and going to be a policeman which I can control the traffic.
Okay, fine. Good, good. But now don't talk. Now listen to what Labaina teacher is saying. See, tailor has a measuring tape. And what does the measuring tape do? It will measure your body. You know how much. Otherwise, your clothes will not fit you. If you don't measure, loose ho jayega, tight ho jayega. So the tailor takes your measurement. Then the tailor will take a cloth, and then according to the measurement, they will stitch your clothes. See, whose uniform is ready? Who wants to wear this uniform? Meet has already got a uniform, okay? Chirag, all the Bhavani Pet children had this uniform, right? Yes. So this is stitched by a tailor. Okay, even the Baina teacher's clothes are stitched by tailor. Mama's clothes, Papa clothes, whole family clothes are stitched by tailor. Even if you buy clothes from the shop, the tailor stitches and gives them in bulk. So they sell it over there. Okay. So the tailors are also a community helper. So let's say, thank you, tailor. Thank you. Some tailors are men. Even man can stitch. Okay. Even papas can stitch. Okay. They can be designer. See, tailors, they know to stitch. But when you want to become, you are becoming a designer also. Okay. Clothes designer. You can design the clothes. Then you can give it to the tailor to stitch. Okay. So all the designing work, the designers do it. Okay. And then the tailor stitches the clothes. And then you get to wear it. Okay, so if you don't have clothes, how will you wear? Everybody will do chin, chin, poppy, ship. All the girls do your name, right? So we should say, thank you, tailor, to help us. Okay, so this is.
Thank you.
I'm going to show you a video.
Hello.
You want to see who is this? Who do I have? Who is this? Can you tell me? Who is this? Who is this? Gardener. Who is this? Gardener. Oh my God, you go to the garden and you see
Gardener.
yes, you see so many plants, you see so many vegetables growing, you see fruit growing. Who grows there? It grows magic? Jadoo se grow hote hain? No, it is the gardener. Okay, what does the gardener do? There are Chinese in the garden. He just if it is very hot, also he doesn't bother. He sows seeds. He plows the field. He puts water. Then he takes a scissor and he trims. He trims the plants and he sees that the plants grow. Like Mama and Papa take care of you, no? You're a small baby. And Mama and Papa takes care ना आपकी देखभाल करते और आप grow होते हो. Same way, the gardener takes care of the plants and the seeds he grows, then they become big tree, and they all fruits grow on the tree, or vegetables. So he takes care. Otherwise, अगर vegetable grow नहीं होगा, तो आप खाना खा सकते हो? No, you will get no food.
Teacher, I have a song. I grow not eating flower.
Yes, you are growing flowers. So that is how you can become small gardeners in your house. Okay, small 1 pot, 2 pot you can do. Mama can also do little gardening in the house by putting little seeds also in small parts. But vegetables you have to grow, fruits you have to grow. Can Mama go grow fruits in the house? No, all those things you can't grow. So farmer helps the fruits, grows the vegetables, takes care of the plants, waters the plants. वो सब कौन करता है? This is the gardener, okay, and the farmer. Sorry, farmer and gardener, both I'm talking about. The gardener takes care of all the plants, and the farmer grows all the seeds, vegetables, fruits, and crops. So they go hand in glove. Okay. So Jabin teacher, can we show a video on the gardener? Yes. Gardener is going to. There is a nice song on gardener, and the gardener is taking care of all the plants. And the farmer takes care of all the. I can make this person as the farmer. Okay. Yes, so now let's watch a video on the gardener. Let's watch a video on the gardener. What does the gardener do? You will come to know. Okay? Yes. Okay, are we ready for the video? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Here goes the video. Yes.
It's not coming.
Every other day with plants and seed, I have a way. The gardener is what they call me. I know all about plants from A to Z. I manicure gardens, add to their beauty. With love and passion, I do my duty. All kinds of seasonal flowers I grow that simply take away your breath, I know. I dig, mix and mulch the soil with zest. I spray pesticides to keep away the pests. With the right compost, the soil I nourish. I know just how to make my plants flourish. I make your lawn look lush and green. The bushes too, I regularly.
This was the gardener. Now gardener takes care of all the plants and sows seeds and see that it grows. And what does the farmer do? The farmer will sow the seed. The farmer will he will work in the field. Gardener works in the. Where does the gardener work? The gardener works in the garden, and the farmer works in the farm. Okay, and he grows crops, vegetables, and everything. Okay, and that is why you get all the vegetables. So I'm going to show you a video on the farmer. Okay, so now everybody. One farmer भी बन सकते हो. Fancy dress में you can become a farmer also. So here's the video on the farmer.
Working on the farm all day long. Everybody sing the planting song. Working on the farm all day long. Everybody sing the planting song. First you take a seed and put it in the ground. Put it in the ground. Put it in the ground. Then you get some water and pour it all around. Pour it all around. Pour it all around. Working on the farm all day long. Everybody sing the planting song. Working on the farm all day long. Everybody sing the planting song. When the sun comes out, the light shines down. The light shines down. The light shines down. The leaves grow green and the stem grows brown. The stem grows brown. The stem grows brown. Working on the farm all day long. Everybody sing the planting song. Working on the farm all day long. Everybody sing the planting song.
Okay, so this is farmer works in the farm and gardener works in the garden. Everybody say thank you, gardener, and thank you, farmer. Okay, so you find our teachers given lots of ideas. Now let's see who's coming. Aya sabzi wala aya. Bangi who is this? This is a sabzi. What? Sabzi wala aya. Sabzi wala aya. Kya laya? बहुत सारी सब्जी लाया, बहुत सारी सब्जी लाया, ले लो, ले लो, ले लो. Okay, so this is the sabzi wala. When you see the sabzi wala? When you see the sabzi wala? Have you seen the sabzi wala anywhere? He is a
Yes.
fruit seller, vegetable seller, sabzi seller. We see them in the market. Okay, when you go, when mama says, आज क्या खाना बनाना है? आज हम बनाएंगे आलू की सब्जी. When there are no potatoes, mama will go to the market, and in the market, sabzi wala is sitting over there. And sabzi wala is saying, sabzi le lo, बैंगन ले लो, आलू ले लो, जो भी ले लो, मेरे से ले लो, जल्दी आओ, fresh आलूस, fresh tomato. And the sabzi wala has fruits also. Sabzi wala has vegetables also. So let's see which sabzi wala what he has. Come on. What does the sabzi wala have? Anybody wants peas? This is peas. And किसको चाहिए बैंगन? किसको चाहिए बैंगन? Fresh बैंगन. बैंगन की सब्जी बना सकते हो आप. You can make nice बैंगन भरता. Then if mama doesn't have this, which vegetable is this? Tomato. He will have all the vegetables. Oh, he has fruits also. Which fruit? Apple. My God, there is no mango season, but he's got mango also. He's a very nice sabzi wala. And what is this also he has in his thela? It is potato and yummy carrot. Okay, so sabzi wala has. What does the sabzi wala do? Sabzi wala sells chocolates, sweets, lollipops, mithai. No, sabzi wala sells all the fruits and vegetables. And sometimes sabzi wala they sit in the market. Now Lubaina teacher wants to buy something. And he will say, sabzi wala, mujhe bangan chahiye. Then what does the sabzi wala have? What does the sabzi wala have? Who will tell me this? What is this? What is this? What is this? This is weighing scale. Weighing scale. I want to teach you this, okay? So this is whenever you go to the market. Tarazu, yes, this is a weighing scale. Tarazu को क्या बोलते हैं? Weighing scale.
Weighing scale.
Now this is a weighing scale. हर सब्जी वाला पास रहेगा because you can't say one tomato, one potato, 1 cauliflower. Can you say? No, you have to say, I want 1 kg tomato. I want 1 kg cauliflower. So how will he know 1 kg? So he has weights. I will show you the weights. Okay. Sabzi wala has weight. Oh my God. I want small weights. Here. Ye kya hai? 1 kg weight. Now he will put 1 kg. See what will happen. It is like a jhula, no? If you sit like a seesaw. If you put this, oh, see how it goes up and down. Now he will put all the fruits here. 1 kg bangan. Oh my God. See, now it is balancing. Okay. Bangan is balancing. Okay. You saw? He will put weights here. And oh, it is going down. और एक बैंगन डालो और एक बैंगन डालो चलो balance करो oh no बैंगन is very big. I will put 1 small carrot with you. अभी आपका 1 kilo sabzi is ready. Okay, if I put carrot, see the tarazu balance होना चाहिए. Then only you will get 1 kg. Okay, and then he says चलो आपके bag में डालो, and then he will give Lubaina teacher the vegetable. Okay, this is a weighing scale. Okay, these are the weighing scale. Every sabzi wala will have a weighing scale. When you go to the market with mama, no, you see the weighing scale. Okay, you see and see how he does. He will put weights in one and he will put fruits. Now, okay, we want fruits. 1 kg fruit, chalo. Balance hua? No, it should be same. So I will put 1 more. Mango bhi dalenge. Okay, balance hua? नहीं थोड़ा नीचे जा रहा है ना. This is going down. The weight is going down. Then I will put apple also. Where is my apple? Let me put apple. Now see, oh ज्यादा हो गया weight. चलो apple निकालो और मैं आपको एक strawberry दे दूँगी. Okay. Ooh. Now the weight is proper. Yes. Now the weight is getting proper. Now and Lubaina teacher will do this. And she will go home. Yeah. So whenever, from where does Lubaina teacher and mama and everybody buy vegetables? From the sabzi wala. Okay. From the seller, from the fruit seller. And sometimes they come to your house, no? Like this in the head. Sabzi wala sabzi. 2 rupees ki sabzi. Palak le lo, bhendi le lo, sabjan le lo. Now we will see a video also of Aya Sabzi wala. So every house, the sabzi wala comes. Every house, the sabzi wala will come with his thaila. And then everybody's house, not ring the bell also and come, right? In Corona times, they used to come to your house also to sell all the vegetables. We get sabzi at what? We get it at a superstore also. Okay. So here is the video of sabzi wala. Okay, you see how he goes to everybody's house on his. There is a cart. Sabzi wala, some sabzi wala carry it on there. Wala gayab ho gaya. But we got to say thank you, sabzi wala, for all giving us fresh vegetables and fresh fruits. Then we become strong. हम लोग अगर सब्जी वाला नहीं लेते, see the farmer grows the crop and then the farmer sells it to the vegetable sellers. Then they take it to the market and they sell mama and papa. So it is a big chain. Okay, so everybody understood everything. They are all the helpers. You cannot do without them. Now, one fun helper we are going to do. Hello, what is your name? I say, I am Lily. Oh, Lily, you're looking so pretty. Why are you looking pretty? So Lily says, I am a beauty salon. I run a beauty salon. I'm a hairdresser. I am a beautician. That is why I always look nice, prim and proper. Every mama likes to go to the beautician, no? Boys go to the beautician, beauty parlor? No, only girls go to the beauty parlor. Boys, I will talk later where they go. Okay, so now this is Lily and this is her beauty parlor. Can you see the beauty parlor? The beauty parlor is so pretty. She has a nice mirror. She has a dressing table. She has lovely clips. She has all the beauty stuff. So she is who is Lily? Lily is a beautician. Okay, who is Lily? Lily is a beautician. Where Mama go, Mama wants to cut their hair. Lubaina teacher wants to cut their hair. She can cut on her own. In Corona, Mama used to cut your hair, right? But you cannot cut your own every time. Okay, you need to learn. They have learned how to cut their hair. They have learned how to brush and cut your hair properly. Okay, so they are the beautician. Okay, so now this is Lily's beauty parlor. And who comes to Lily's beauty parlor? You know, who is this? This is Tina. Tina is looking so dirty. So she comes to Lily's beauty parlor and says, Lily, can you make me look very pretty? Can you make me look nice? So Lily says, okay. First, let me set Tina properly, okay? So Lily says, yes, I will make you look very beautiful. I will make your hairstyle. I will put makeup. I will do all the grooming part, okay? You go to the beauty parlor, Mama, you know, not everybody. Only mamas go, okay? Children go to cut their hair, okay? But Mama wants to do little makeup. Mama wants to set the hair. Then where will they go? We go to the beauty parlor. And who does all the work in the beauty parlor? Beautician, okay? Chalo, beautician is getting ready now. Lubaina teacher is becoming a beautician, okay? Chalo, I'm a beautician. Okay, Tina, look here. You are looking very dirty. Your hair is so bad. Let me go to blow dry your hair. So Tina, first Lubaina teacher washed Tina's hair because they were very dirty. This is the way we wash, shampoo our hair, shampoo our hair, shampoo our hair. This is, and she shampooed her hair. She washed her hair. And then, what is this? What does Lubaina teacher have? Oh my God! All the hair is out. See. All the hair is out. What is this? Hair dryer. Yes, beautician को सब चाहिए. चलो, let's blow dry Tina's hair. See, Tina's hair is all flying. Or blow dry, come on. This is the way we blow dry our hair. Blow dry our hair. Blow dry our hair. This is the way we blow dry our hair. And in the beauty parlor. Okay, so this is a hair dryer. See Lubaina teacher's hair also. Ooh, lovely. When you want to set your hair, see how the hair is going. Ooh, lovely. Okay. Chalo, now beauty Lubaina teacher. Oh, my hair is first dirty. All blow dry. So I'm going to see nice. Now I'm going to set Tina's hair. Come on. This is first I comb your hair nicely. Tina has got all lovely curls. Chalo, comb. Back comb. Combing is done. Now we will put some nice clip. Oh, see what is this? Lovely clips, right? Okay, first we'll do hairstyling. Okay. Now, Tina, let me put some clip here. You will look very pretty. I'm sure Nitya, Alifia, everybody must be having lovely clips. All the girls must be having. Oh, so sweet. Tina is looking. Oh, I have a small blow clip also. See, this is also clip. I will put it on this hair. Okay, Tina's hair is all curly, no? So she needs lot of clips. Otherwise, they will all become wild. Wow. Now, Tina's hairstyling is looking nice. Yes, Tina's hairstyle is looking nice. Lubaina teacher will also put one clip on her head. Yeah. See, even I put one clip. Okay. Chalo. Now, what do we do? Chalo, it's time to do some makeup. Chalo, Tina. See, there is a mirror also. In the beauty parlor, you have a mirror also. Okay, to see yourself. And who does all your makeup? The beautician. Chalo, first, I'm going to put little cream on Tina. Where is my box? Let me search. Here it is, my makeup. See, the beautician will have lot of makeup. Okay. So here is the box of makeup. Let me open. How will I make you beautiful? Let me see. First, what is this? Cream. Okay. She will take cream, all the different types of cream. And she has a sponge. She will take the cream on the sponge. Oh, her face is looking very dull. So she will make it very bright. Chalo. Now come on. Let's remove all your tan. Let's remove all the dirt from your face. Let's make your face look cream and silky. Here. Now the cream is done. Now Lubaina, our teacher, will take up a powder. Bobby, have you seen all this on Mama's dressing table? You have a dressing table in your house, right? Every mama will have a dressing table because they want to dress up and look pretty, okay? So see, this is a powder and this is a brush. Can you apply the powder with your hand like this? No. If mama wants to look beautiful, she will roll the brush here. And now, come on, Tina. Let me put powder all on your face. Wow, on the cheeks. Tina is looking, cheeks are glowing. Lovely. Chubby cheeks, dimple chin, rosy lips, teeth within, curly hair, very fair, eyes are blue, lovely too. Mama's pet, is that you? Yes, yes, yes. All the powder is being put. Yes, tell me what happened. चलो अभी क्या करेंगे? ये क्या है? Oh my God, ये blush on pink color का powder होता है. Pink color का powder आपने देखा? This is blush on. What is this? Blush on. Where do you put blush on? On your cheeks. Okay? Because all your cheeks will look rosy. Nice, no? See Lubaina teacher when she'll put on her cheeks. Nice. When teacher does makeup in school with you all know. Yes, tell me. Zalim, tell me what happened. Okay, chalo. Now I'm going to put blush on Tina's cheeks. Lovely. Tina is looking very nice. Now, oh my God, what is this? What is this? Do you know? I'm sure the boys are saying, oh my God, what Lubaina Tina saying all the girly stuff. This is a kajal. Where do you put the kajal? On your lip? On your cheeks? Oh, kajal has to be put on. Yes, please have to as parents if you're talking. I'm going to put kajal on Tina's eyes. Can you see? Tina's got kajal on her eyes. Even Lubaina teacher is kajal in her eyes. Okay. So this is black color kajal, blue color kajal, get red color kajal.
Just shut up.
Yes.
वो झूठ नहीं बोलती है.
Yourself, parents, you all are
नहीं निकाला.
Okay, so now the kajal is done. And now Lubaina teacher is going to do what? Lips are empty. So what will Lubaina teacher put on the lipstick? Boys know what do you put on the lipstick? It is lipstick. See, their lips will become pink and nice. You get Lubaina teacher had done different colors of lipstick, remember once? So I'm going to put pink color lipstick on Chinky or Tina. Come on, let's put pink color lipstick. Ooh, lovely. Yes. See her. Wow. See how is she looking? Is she looking nice? Nitya, can you tell me whether it is looking nice or no? And we don't have a nail polish.
Nice.
Yes. And what will you put on your hands? What will you put on your hands? You will put on
Nail paint.
If you go to the salon, then the salon person will put the beautician will put nail polish. Okay. So I don't have a nail polish now, but Tina will put it from a home because she wants her nail polish. Okay. So I'll get Tina a little bit. Oh my God.
I have nail polish.
Now Tina can go for the party. Yes. And who dressed Tina up? Beautician. Today, Lubaina teacher became a beautician, makeup artist. Okay, I did all the makeup for Tina. I did hairstyle for Tina. Everything I did for Tina. Okay, so when you want to go, Mama wants to make her look nice, she will go to the beauty parlor and then she will get herself nice makeup and she will look very, very pretty. Lubaina teacher is also looking nice with the clip and the hair clip and everything. Is she looking nice? Yes. So even you all will look very pretty. But girls don't put makeup. Okay. Girls are not going to put makeup. When you grow big, you have to put makeup. Okay. And where do boys go? If boys will want to cut their hair, boys will want to cut their hair. Where will they go? They will go to the beauty parlor. Salon. Okay. Or they will go to the barber shop. Barbers cut the hair. Okay. They will cut the hair. Boys don't do makeup at all. They don't put, they only put cream and they don't put lipstick. They don't put kajal. Do they put clips? No. Boys don't do any makeup. They only wear a watch in the hand. Right? Yes. Am I right or no? Abhi, do you do makeup? Abhi, me, Buranuddin, Yuvan, Hussein, are you doing makeup? Zaim, are you doing makeup? No, but आप लोग अपनी मम्मा को मेकअप करते देखते हो ना और आपको मन होता है? Yes. So now I'm going to show you a video on animals, okay? Not human going to look very beautiful, okay? So this is how boys will go to the barber, they will go to the salon, and the ladies will go to the beauty parlor, and the babies will cut their hair at the salon, okay? So this was all the community helpers. So many. Now you got an idea what you can become. Now Friday, we are just going to have a fancy dress and you are going to buy. Now teacher did a lot of talking, right? She told you so many things about the community helper. Now on Friday, I'm going to learn from you. I'm going to see you as community helpers, okay? So tell Mama to make you one, okay? Now no candy today, but today you all are all going to think and tell me what you all are going to become on Friday, okay? So bye everybody. Did you enjoy? I want a thumbs up. Nobody's giving me thumbs up. Everybody enjoyed? Yes, I'm sure you all enjoyed the. And then
पर मेरे को तो नहीं मिलेंगे कॉस्ट्यूम्स यहाँ पे.
Costumes मत लेना. जो भी है आप हेयर बैंड पे नाम लिख के रखना. Okay? There is no need to buy costumes. You have to create one. Okay? If you have a white shirt, you wear a white t-shirt. If you're a doctor, and put a band of doctor on the top. Okay? No need to go and buy costumes. Okay? Make your own costumes. Chalo. Now, it's time to say goodbye. Yes, happy. Everybody enjoyed. So let's say goodbye song.
Oh yeah, kids, it's time to say goodbye.
Goodbye, see you next time, everyone. Goodbye, see you next time, everyone. Goodbye to you, goodbye to you, goodbye to you.
Goodbye and see you tomorrow with story, and Musana teacher will take you to the farm to see the farmer again. Okay, so till then, goodbye. Take care, all of you.